So my client actually bought his house in Punggol, 380,000. Once it reaches MOP, we sold it within 2 viewings at 815,000, which makes it to 435,000 of gains. But the key is a lot of people don't realize you need to annualize it. You take a 435,000 over the 4 years construction and 5 years MOP. If you divide it by 9 years, right, you realize that per year gain is only 48,000. I'm not even including stamp duty and everything else. I believe now you may realize actually it's not really a lot of gains. In private, there's actually 4 sectors. One is 5 years old and younger, 6 years old to 15 years, 16 to 25 years, as well as those that are 26 years old and older. When you go in as a first owner and you sold it when it's 5 years old, you are most likely bound to see a very good gain of, let's say, $500,000 if it's a 2 million purchase, or maybe about 3 to 500,000. The total holding period over that time is 3 years, and you stay in for 5 years, which means per year your gain is 80,000. But what happens if you are buying a 6 to 15 years old property? I always tell my client is halving. Halving means that if your owner makes about 400,000 from you, are you okay to only make 200,000? But the risk comes even higher if you're going into 16 to 25 years, or even up to 26 years and older, because by that time we really have no idea whether the property still have gain margin or not, because this is a very scary zone that I always tell my client, unless you're buying this for own stay, you don't really care if it's making money, then that's perfectly fine.